COUNTIFS function. The Excel COUNTIFS function returns the count of cells that meet one or more criteria. It can be used to count cells that contain dates, numbers, and text, with logical operators and wildcards for partial matching. The COUNTIFS function counts cells in a range that meet one or more conditions, referred to as criteria. The syntax for the COUNTIFS function depends on the criteria being evaluated. Each separate condition will require a range and a criteria. The first two arguments, range 1 and criteria 1, are required. Range 1 is the range to which criteria 1 should be applied. Range 2 is the range to which criteria 2 should be applied, and so on. Additional conditions are applied by providing more range and criteria arguments. Each condition requires a separate range and criteria, and operators need to be enclosed in double quotes. The following table shows some common examples. Notice the last two examples use concatenation with the ampersand character. When a criteria argument includes a value from another cell, or the result of a formula, logical operators must be joined with concatenation. This is because Excel needs to evaluate cell references and formulas first to get a value before that value can be joined to an operator. When using COUNTIFS, keep the following in mind. To be included in the final result, all conditions must be true. All ranges must be the same size or COUNTIFS will return an error. Criteria should include logical operators as needed. Each new condition requires a separate range and criteria. Let's work with some examples. COUNTIFS can be used to count records using two criteria. For example, to count all red color within a state of TX or Texas, the formula will be like these. And to count all red color less than $30 US. Notice the COUNTIFS function is not case sensitive. In general, text values need to be enclosed in double quotes, and numbers do not. However, when a logical operator is included with a number, the number and operator must be enclosed in quotes as shown here. When using a value from another cell in a condition, the cell reference must be concatenated to an operator when used. In this example, COUNTIFS will count the values in E3 to E13 that are less than the value in cell G1. Notice the less than operator, which is text, is enclosed in quotes, but the cell reference is not. Note, COUNTIFS is one of several functions that split conditions into two parts, range plus criteria. This causes some inconsistencies with respect to other formulas and functions. To construct not equal to criteria, use the less than and greater than operator surrounded by double quotes. For example, this formula will count cells not equal to red in the range C3 to C12. COUNTIFS can count cells that are blank or not blank. This formula's count blank and not blank cells in the range C1 to C15. The easiest way to use COUNTIFS with dates is to refer to a valid date in another cell with a cell reference. For example, to count cells in B3 to B12 that contain a date less than a date in H1, you can use a formula like this. Notice we concatenate the less than operator to the date in H1, but there are no quotes around the cell reference. The safest way to hard-code a date into COUNTIFS is with the date function. This guarantees Excel will understand the date. To count cells in B3 to B12 that contain a date less than February 15, 2023, you can use this formula. The wildcard characters $, asterisk, or tilde can be used in criteria. A question mark matches any one character, and an asterisk matches 0 or more characters of any kind. For example, to count cells in C3 to C12 that contain the text BL anywhere, you can use a formula like this. The COUNTIFS function is designed to apply multiple criteria, but conditions are applied within logic. This means if you try to count cells that contain red or blue in the same range, the result will be 0. However, to count cells with OR logic, you can use an array constant and the sum function like this. This formula will count cells in range that contain red or blue. Briefly, COUNTIFS returns two counts in an array, one for red and one for blue, and the sum function returns the sum as a final result. This covers working with COUNTIFS function in MS Excel. If you have a question to ask, leave it in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer it. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.